Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship, of the daily list. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. K.C. Gautam, is unavailable today.
What is this matter about?
Your Lordship, this is regarding a VRS matter, Your Lordship. So what has happened, Your Lordship, the respondents have not paid us, Your Lordship, the VRS in full. A first installment has been made, Your Lordship, but a second installment is still remaining, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, we're before this court, Your Lordship, seeking our prayer is that basically, Your Lordship, that the arrears that have been calculated, Your Lordship, they are insufficient.
It's a issue of calculation.
Your Lordship,
Is it an issue of calculation?
a little bit, Your Lordship.
Who's appeal?
I'm for the state, Lordship.
If it's an issue of calculation, then you look into it.
Lordship, this is MIDC. Yeah? Lordship, actually, that was a one-time golden handshake settlement, Lordship. We have already examined the entire process time and again, Lordship. That was a one-time settlement because they had winded up the company, Lordship. No, I mean the corporation.
No, their grievance is that as far as the areas are concerned,
Lordship.
partly it has been paid,
Your Lordship.
and there are some, which are
Remainder,
remainder which is to be paid.
There's nothing due, my lord.
Your Lordship, this matter, Your Lordship, there is a second installment, Your Lordship, which has been due to us. Your Lordship, when this matter was before Justice Thank You, it has been heard at length, Your Lordship.
Nothing is due to them, Lordship. And yes, Justice Thank You had, Honorable Court number 2 had actually heard the entire matter at length. And there was some queries posed to the state, and we had replied to the queries by way of an affidavit, Lordship.
Okay. So when do we?
A week, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
On premier by Ms. T. Mowry, counsel for the petitioner, seeking accommodation. The same not be objected to by Ms. Angela, senior GA. Matters adjourned. List the same after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
My lord, may I please, Your Lordship? Item number 4, my lord. This is with regard to the remission matter, my lord, Nabam Thai. My lord, the matter was heard on the last occasion, and Lordship has directed us to submit our written synopsis. Now, my lord, while preparing the written synopsis, while doing some certain research, we have come across that the state has a policy, my lord. It was introduced last year. So, my lord, some of the other way, our submission may not be proper, my lord, with the policy being available. The state has, my lord, introduced the remission policy, my lord. So I'm praying that if this matter can be heard
now
again.
at this stage, you cannot introduce new.
No, my lord, when the matter was pending, when the matter was heard, we were not aware, my lord. So it was during the pendency of the case, my lord, it was introduced, my lord. So it may not hamper much, my lord. It was not after, my lord, the matter has fully been heard, because we were not aware at the time of the hearing, my lord. So it was already in state, I believe August, my lord, 2024 was introduced, my lord. So we were not aware.
What policy is required? What you are required to do is you have to frame certain rules.
My lord, the rules have been framed.
And those are not on record.
My lord, yes, we were not aware. The department, there was a miscommunication, my lord. We were not aware of that. So we have come to, my lord, it will not affect much, but then it may we are praying that if that can be also taken part of the hearing, my lord, of record, so that it will have some bearing, my lord, on the entire issue, my lord, because we argued based on the law points only.
See, basically, if I recall correctly,
my lord,
what you have done is based on
the Supreme Court orders,
based on the opinion,
my lord,
of the district
judge, my lord, yes.
You have passed the order.
So
to that extent, the matter will be examined.
My lord.
As to how it was passed, why it was passed.
My lord, there was also one point that the Supreme Court has directed each state to have its remission policy. So, my lord, we have it, my lord.
That issue has not cropped up. Whether it's relevant or not, we don't know.
The petitioner has certain time pointed out.
See, in due course, you have to do it. That you are answerable to the Supreme Court.
My lord, yes.
As far as that matter is concerned. So, why would you try to insert that in this, as far as this matter is concerned?
My lord, I have been requested by Mr. Shulai to pray that he would like to make a submission on the policy which is available state, my lord. A short that may be given, my lord, so that we can subsequently file our written argument, my lord. Only with the issue of the policy which we have it in the state, my lord. Only that portion will be adding, my lord.
Where's the other side?
My lord,
should have,
Mr. Deep is a counsel which we always have to search for, my lord. I'll inform him, my lord, if I meet him, that I have prayed for time.
File name. File. Written argument as called for has not been filed by the parties. However, Ms. Arkunni has submitted that some time may be allowed for this state respondent to file the written argument. Should we fix it on 6th?
My lord.
As prayed for, this is matter on 6.
Highly obliged, lordship.
Daily list item number 1.
These two bail applications may come up on Monday, my lord, because the Khanapara one is fixed on Monday. This is the Bagmara cases, my lord. They're all interconnected, my lord.
Lordship, as per the last order, Lordship, the state was directed to produce the CD as well as the status report. We have it in hand, my lord.
Copy of the CD.
Lordship, copy of the CD, Lordship.
You know what is there, Mr. Nongri?
My lord, the Khanapara cases are coming on Monday, my lord. So let this also come on Monday.
No, but why?
Dr. Muzika is leading us in this case.
But perhaps the Khanapara case is, has taken a different turn. As far as this matter is concerned,
yes, my lord.
It's a application for
Anticipatory bail.
bail,
Yes,
simpliciter.
Yes, my lord. But what transpired, my lord, because we were on the way to go and appear before the IO, my lord. First, we decided to appear before the IO in Khanapara. However, things turned, my lord. He was arrested. He was not produced before magistrate for 3 days, my lord. So thereafter, we obtained regular bail, and he is totally traumatized. One of these petitioners, he had to go back to Jaipur, my lord, and he could not, appear before the Bagmara IO. Let it come on Monday, my lord. It's all interconnected. We'll explain, you know.
It's not connected with Bagmara, Lordship. Firstly, because from Khanapara, what my friend has related is connected with Tura. This is Bagmara, and this Honorable Court has passed certain directions. And Lordship, the accused person in this case has already obtained bail from Ampati Court, Lordship. So with regard to the connection of the cases, Bagmara is out of that connection, Lordship, because they already obtained bail.
But it's all interconnected. Let it come on Monday.
No, interconnected in as much as it involves
A common accused person, Lordship.
Particular
Yes,
person.
Lord. A business, my lord. Particular business, a bonded warehouse.
No, we are not we're talking about the.
Yes.
You see, here, as far as the matter is concerned,
Yes.
it involves a person, the conduct of the person.
Yes, my lord.
As far as the application is concerned, whether his conduct would, suffice that he may be, given the liberty of, a favorable order from the court or otherwise.
My lord.
But if you are called upon to report at a certain police station, you should have done so.
My lord.
But of course. Anyway, what you do, you submit your the status report and the copy of the CD.
Lordship, we have it in hand, Lordship, because what has transpired is that several attempts have been made to communicate with the accused person, and they've been evading, my lord. And this is in all the other jurisdictions also. So, Lordship, what is being portrayed right now is that it's the state who's at fault.
What Mr. Nobri, if I recall, because I would also take judicial notice of what has happened in the other cases related matter.
My lord.
The attending factors has to be taken into account.
Yes.
So we don't know.
That is why I'm going to let it come up on Monday. We'll.
Fine, you submit your. You can do it now or you do it Monday. This is up to you.
Lordship, that's my submission. They've been evading all attempts made by the state, my lord.
We'll take up the matter on Monday then.
Kindly record my submission, my lord, that the CD is already in hand, my lord. Kindly.
No, that's what I'm asking you. Whether you'll submit it now or you'll do it on Monday.
We can submit it now, my lord, before this honorable court.
Fine. Mr. Philemon Ongri, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has sought for accommodation to submit that and has submitted that this matter may be taken up on Monday, since there are also similar matters which concerning the petitioner herein, which are also listed by this court on Monday. It is therefore deemed convenient for all the matters to be taken up on the same day. Submits the Learned Counsel. Ms. Angela, Senior GA, appearing for the state respondent, has submitted that pursuant to this court's order, the status report of the IO along with the copy of the CD is ready and is produced and handed over to the court today. The same is acknowledged herein. As prayed for with the parties, this is matter on Monday.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item 2 is same.
Same.
Item number 3.
These same
1 and 2, lordship.
different petitioner are not the same,
Yes, my lord.
but the case is the same.
Is the
Same.
Same, lordship.
Same case.
Same order too.
Much obliged, lordship.
Item number 3.
अच्छा मैं उसको ईमेल करके दे देता हूँ बाद में इसके ईमेल में हाँ हाँ कर लेंगे